Here are 7 key technical effects this habit can have on your laptops. Internal architecture and components. Point 1. Motherboard flexing and microcracks. When you hold a laptop with one hand, the weight of the components causes the motherboard main circuit board to bend slightly. Over time, this flexing can cause microcracks in solder joints or break delicate electrical traces, leading to unstable performance, random shutdowns, or failure to boot. 2. Damage to screen hinges and frame. Most laptops have fragile hinge assemblies connecting the screen to the base, and even support puts torsion stress on the hinge mounts, which can crack the plastic frame or loosen hinge screws, making the lid wobbly or difficult to close. 3. Battery cell stress. Laptop batteries are made up of several connected cells. Holding or twisting the chassis can apply uneven pressure to the battery pack, risking cell deformation or internal separation, which can reduce battery life or even cause swelling over time. 4. Hard drive HDD or SSD damage. If the laptop has a mechanical hard drive HDD, sudden movements or vibrations can cause the spinning disk and read-write head to collide, leading to data loss or physical damage. Even SSDs can suffer from connector stress or PCB flex. 5. Port and connector strain. Holding the laptop with peripherals plugged in, charger, USB, HDMI, etc., can twist or pull on the ports, causing loose connectors, broken solder joints, or even short circuits on the I/O board. 6. Cooling system misalignment. Flexing the laptop's body can slightly shift the heat sink or cooling fan housing, reducing contact with the CPU or GPU. This leads to poor heat dissipation, overheating, and thermal throttling. 7. Display panel and cable damage. The display panel and ribbon cable are extremely delicate. One-handed handling can twist or pull the screen, causing flickering, line distortion, or permanent screen damage due to a loose LVDS/VDP cable connection. In summary, holding a laptop with one hand may seem convenient, but it creates internal mechanical stress that can damage the motherboard architecture, display system, memory, and connectors. Always lift it with 2 hands, one under the base and the other supporting the lid or side. If this helped you, don't forget to like and share.